One of my favorite features of Gemini AI is that you can use the live mode to have a chat with AI in real time, and you can allow AI to access your camera or even your screen, so AI will know exactly what you're seeing, and therefore it can give you the context of the thing that you're asking, and the answer is going to be much better, and it's also a lot more efficient. But unfortunately, this live mode is only available on the mobile version of Gemini, so there is no Gemini Live on the desktop and web version of Gemini, which is very disappointing. However, the competitor, actually one of the most fierce competitors of Gemini, which is Copilot from Microsoft, actually has a similar feature to the live mode on Gemini, but it is available on the desktop version. So in this video, I'll show you how you can use Copilot Vision to have a chat with the AI model, and then it can also see exactly the thing you are seeing on your computer screen. And here's how you can use that. So step number one, you cannot use Google Chrome or Firefox. You have to use Microsoft Edge, and it makes a lot of sense. It is the browser that Microsoft keeps pushing to the users, so naturally they want to make people to actually start using this browser, and one way is by offering some fantastic feature like Copilot Vision. Now after that, after you open the browser on your computer, you can click the Copilot icon right here. And to start the Vision mode, you can click the microphone icon. And if you're doing this for the first time, you're going to see this message asking you to give permission to Copilot Vision to see your screen, and just click accept. And after that, you'll hear some welcome messages from Copilot Vision. Now, let me do a quick demonstration about what this thing is capable of. So let me just click this.
Hey, John.
Hi there, so can you help me? What animal on this picture?
Sure. The animal in the picture is a curious roaming roe deer, a herbivorous mammal native to Europe and Asia. It's enjoying a stroll through a forest path. What do you think of the photo?
Okay, I think that's amazing. Okay, let's move on to another thing. So these are some phones, but I don't know which one is the smallest. Can you actually do the research and tell me which one has the smallest dimension?
The Pixel 9 has dimensions of 155mm in height, 71mm in width, and 8mm in depth. It's the smallest among the three, making it a compact choice if size is a key factor for you.
Okay, that's amazing. Now, how about this? So I'm in the market for buying a laptop, and I think this laptop looks amazing, but honestly, based on the specifications and all those details, can you tell me if this is actually the best option, or should I look for something else?
This jumper 16-inch convertible laptop looks versatile with its 2-in-1 feature, 16GB of RAM and 512GB SSD. It's priced at $399, which is reasonable considering the specs and the included Office 365 subscription. Best option? Well, it depends on your needs. If you want a flexible device for both
I heard enough. Thank you so much for that.
You're welcome.
Okay,
Feel free to ask anything else if you need help.
Okay, I just paused the Copilot Vision. Now it's not able to see or listen to my voice, but I just want to show you that you can change the voice by navigating to the settings menu right here and select different voice. So mine was using the default of voice, which is Rain, and it's actually kind of British, but if you want to use something else, you can click settings and select a different voice. And when you're done, you can click this and the conversation has ended. So that's how you can use Copilot Vision to share the screen and have a conversation with AI in real time, and you can use it to guide you through a website or choose a product, or maybe help you finish your homework. There are a lot of use cases and scenarios that I could not tell everything in this video, but basically just imagine AI can see your screen, and you can use it as a way to get answers more accurately and quickly with Copilot Vision. So thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on my next video. I wish you a great day ahead.